Welcome to Sugosha Media News, your quick briefing on the top defense, technology, and global security headlines for 15th of July. Today's defense headlines tell one clear story: the race for persistent military presence. The future battlefield will belong to those who can see farther, stay longer, communicate securely, and sustain operations continuously. India's 15,000 crore rupees indigenous stratospheric airship program marks a significant step towards persistent high-altitude surveillance, while DRDO's successful military trials of quantum key distribution demonstrate how secure communications are becoming just as important as sensors themselves. India's drone ecosystem also continues to gather momentum. Horus Innovations is developing the Vinashaka 10 Precision Strike UAV. IdeaForge has raised 500 crore rupees to expand its defense drone capabilities, and GoFloat has developed a crash safety system to better protect valuable payloads. Supporting this growth is a strengthening industrial base. GB Texcoat has introduced indigenous advanced materials for aerostats and stratospheric balloons. Bharat Electronics has secured 572 crore rupees worth of defense electronics orders. DigiLogic System has won a Ministry of Defense contract for high precision electronics, and Vetotech Aerospace is developing the Vega launch vehicle to support rapid satellite deployment. Globally, the same priorities are becoming evident. Germany's purchase of Puma tactical drones reflects the growing demand for persistent battlefield intelligence. UK's decision to contract Frankenberg Technologies, Cambridge Aerospace, and Green Jets to develop low-cost air defense solutions signals a shift towards affordable, scalable weapons that can counter mass drone and missile threats. Meanwhile, the partnership between Factorial and Tulip on solid-state drone batteries highlights the drive for greater endurance and performance in unmanned systems. The news in detail. India has launched an ambitious program to build indigenous high-altitude airships capable of conducting long-duration surveillance and intelligence gathering missions, with several private companies expected to compete for the project. The initiative is being overseen by the Indian Air Force's Directorate of Operations and aims to develop airship-based high-altitude pseudo-satellites. The platforms are expected to operate at altitudes exceeding 20 kilometers, carrying advanced payloads for optical surveillance, electronic intelligence, and long-range communications. The project is being executed under the government's Make One procurement framework, which allows the center to fund up to 70% of research and development cost for selected industry partners. The DAC approved the program in February, with the overall project estimated to cost around 15,000 crore rupees, including prototype development and procurement of multiple systems. Future-proofing India's strategic communication networks with quantum technology, DRDO has successfully completed military field trials of a scalable and practically secure fiber-based quantum key distribution system. Leveraging their lab-level proof of concept and experience of previous trials, the DRDO team, with their industry partner TACBit Labs, Bangalore, has successfully architected and productized this advanced system to secure critical networks. This milestone successfully lays the foundation for a large-scale multi-hop quantum networks that is indigenously designed and can seamlessly safeguard national communication infrastructure against emerging cyber threats in the quantum era. Horus Innovations is advancing the development of its new precision strike UAV, Vinashaka 10, which is positioned as a next-generation indigenous combat drone designed for high accuracy, survivability, and cost efficiency. The platform is expected to complement India's growing arsenal of unmanned systems by offering a strike-focused capability distinct from Horus's earlier Sarvasetu tactical UAV. The Vinashka 10 is being developed as a precision strike unmanned aerial vehicle intended to deliver targeted offensive capability in contested environments. Unlike surveillance-focused UAVs, this platform is engineered to carry specialized payloads for precision engagement of high-value targets. The UAV is expected to feature composite construction using carbon fiber and glass fiber materials, ensuring a lightweight yet robust airframe capable of withstanding operational stresses. Its aerodynamic design will likely prioritize speed and maneuverability, enabling rapid ingress and egress from contested zones. Vertotech Aerospace in Bangalore is advancing its Vega launch vehicle program, a dedicated small satellite launcher designed for high-frequency orbital access. The system promises cost-effective custom orbital deployments of constellations with payload capacities up to 600 kilograms and ambitions of weekly launch cadence. Vertotech Aerospace has positioned itself as a new entrant in India's growing private space sector, focusing on the development of Vega, a dedicated launch vehicle tailored for small satellite constellations. The company's vision is to provide high cadence access to space, enabling operators to deploy and replenish constellations on demand without the delays associated with shared launches. The Vega system is being designed to deliver satellites into a wider range of orbital inclinations, from low inclination low Earth orbit to sun synchronous polar orbits. The vehicle referred to as Vega 4 in technical specifications stands at approximately 18.9 meters in height with a diameter of 1.8 meters. It is a two-stage rocket powered by RP-1 kerosene and liquid oxygen with a liftoff mass of around 30 tons. The first stage generates thrust of about 80,000 pounds, while the upper stage delivers around 6,500 pounds of thrust. This configuration allows Vega to carry payloads of up to 600 kilograms to a 500 kilometer orbit, making it suitable for small satellites and CubeSat clusters. GB TechScoat Solution has unveiled Apex Aerotechs, an indigenous advanced material designed for aerostats and stratospheric balloons, marking a significant step in India's aerospace and defense materials innovation. The breakthrough combines lightweight construction, high tensile strength, and near zero helium leakage, enabling longer mission endurance and reduced operational cost. Apex Aerotechs has been engineered specifically for lighter than air platforms such as aerostats, stratospheric balloons, and high altitude airships. The material is based on proprietary TPU nano-composite multi-layer technology developed through years of research at IIT Delhi in collaboration with DRDO. This foundation has been refined by GB TechScoat Solution to meet stringent aerospace and defense requirements. GB TechScoat Solution operates from the Research and Innovation Park at IIT Delhi. The company has established itself as a leader in coated and laminated fabric systems, producing mission-grade solutions for aerostats, airships, tethered balloons, and inflatable structures. GoFloat, a Mumbai-based defense technology startup, has unveiled a pioneering drone crash safety system designed to protect military drones and their payloads during unexpected mid-air failures. The system functions by automatically detecting a sudden fall, whether caused by motor failure, depleted batteries, GPS glitches, or operator error. Once the descent is identified, the mechanism deploys an advanced airbag just before impact. This intelligent buffering ensures that the drone's hardware is shielded from destruction, while critical missions data stored on board remains intact even in the event of a crash. GoFloat's design also accounts for scenarios where drones land in water. The airbag system provides buoyancy, preventing the UAV from sinking and allowing recovery teams to retrieve both the drone and its payload. This dual capability of impact cushioning and flotation makes the system particularly valuable for maritime and coastal defense operations, where drones are frequently deployed for surveillance and reconnaissance. The technology marks a shift in UAV safety philosophy. Traditionally, drone engineering has focused on preventing crashes through redundancy and control systems. GoFloat's approach acknowledges that failures are inevitable in complex missions and instead prioritizes risk mitigation and payload preservation. This ensures that even in adverse conditions, mission-critical intelligence is not lost. DigiLogic Systems has been awarded a 4.08 crore contract by the Ministry of Defense marking another win for the domestic RF radio frequency and electronic warfare testing sector. DigiLogic specializes in automated test equipment and radar simulation systems. In modern warfare, the ability to simulate complex signal environments is critical for calibrating indigenous radars and EW suites before field deployment. The contract underscores the MOD strategy to move away from expensive foreign test bench solutions in favor of localized systems that can be customized to specifically counter regional electronic threats, thereby ensuring electronic order of battle sovereignty. Global news. AeroVironment has won a $30 million contract to provide Germany with next-generation Puma unmanned aerial systems. Awarded through a NATO Support and Procurement Agency acquisition framework, the contract covers Puma AE and Puma LE, that is all environment and long endurance aircraft. The package includes electro-optical and infrared sensors with laser designation, signals intelligence payloads, vertical takeoff and landing kits, Tomahawk Kinesis enabled ground control stations, secure communication relays, and autonomy upgrade kits. The UK Ministry of Defence awarded 3 contracts worth $4.23 million to Frankenberg Technologies, Cambridge Aerospace, and Green Jets to develop interceptor against unmanned aerial vehicles. These interceptors are designed to provide a more affordable way to counter drones. This is increasingly important as countries begin to use large number of cheap, mass-produced drones that can overwhelm traditional air defense systems, which are more expensive and slower to produce. The program, called Low-Cost Air Defense Effectors, is being delivered by the National Armaments Director Group as part of a wider European effort known as Low-Cost Effectors and Autonomous Platforms, LEAP. LEAP brings together 5 countries, UK, Poland, France, Italy, and Germany, to develop affordable effectors and autonomous systems. Each country is running its own national competition to be followed by a multilateral phase with the aim of stimulating growth across the European defense industry, enhancing collaboration, and delivering solutions to nations' war fighters. Here's a quick wrap of today's news. Today's headlines show that the future of defense is being built as an integrated ecosystem. India's 15,000 crore rupees stratospheric airship program, DRDO's quantum secure communications, Horus Innovations Vinashaka 10 UAV, Idea Forge's expansion, Vetotech Aerospace's Vega launch vehicle, GB Texcoat's Apex Aerotech's GoFloat's drone safety system, DigiLogic Systems Precision Electronics, and Bharat Electronics defense electronics orders highlight the country's growing defense industrial base. Globally, Germany's procurement of AeroVironment Puma drones, the Factorial Tulip partnership on solid-state drone batteries, and the UK's contract to Frankenberg Technologies, Cambridge Aerospace, and Green Jets for low-cost air defense reinforce the same trend. Nations are investing in integrated capabilities that deliver persistent, resilient, and scalable military advantage. At Sugosha Media, we simplify the complex world of defense and aerospace by transforming developments into clear, actionable insights. Whether it's understanding defense policies, identifying market opportunities, navigating offsets, or building strategic partnerships, we help organizations translate strategy into execution within India's rapidly evolving aerospace and defense ecosystem. Follow Sugosha Advisory on LinkedIn to stay informed with timely analysis, industry insights, and perspectives that matter. Join the conversation shaping India's defense and strategic landscape. Our mission is simple: to bridge policy, technology, and business, enabling organizations to convert knowledge into sustainable growth, strategic advantage, and long-term success. Thank you for listening. We look forward to partnering with you in shaping the next chapter of India's defense and aerospace journey.